Relationships alone are useless. Run a boys and girls club, but don't run a school. If you want to just do relationships alone, go run a boys and girls club. Because school leadership requires both. You build the relationships, the connection, you become an influencer, then you combine that with rigor and expectations. I mean, that pediatrician stretched your thinking beyond what you thought was possible. And now you know it's possible. And your baby is further along because of that charge, that risk she took, that challenge she gave you. And that's how this thing works. Right? You build relationships, you become influencers, you combine that with rigor and expectations.